Hey everybody, this is Rosanna. I'm here with my Nuwave oven. I do it in my bathroom. I put on my exhaust fan and I close the door and I let it bake. This is my Tomino sculpt, all painted. I'm going to hit cook time 265. Cook temp, I'm going to do it at 9 minutes because the oven is cold. Okay. In there I have a little thermometer and it does go up to 265. 9 minutes. I'll turn on the exhaust fan and I'll get out of here. So this is what you do. Why do I get out of here? Because of the fumes. I close the door and I don't want to be breathing it in. So in my bathroom, 265, 9 minutes, and come on with me. Follow me, folks. Close the door. We'll go back this way. Follow me, follow me. Today's Sunday. And it's cold again. I'll show you outside. It's freezing. Back down to like 8 degrees. That's my view. And that's my icy snow. And that's my crazy dog. Say hi, Chubbs. Say hi. Say hi. Can you say something? Say hi. He's doing the mannequin challenge. All right, I'll be back later. Remember, Nuwave Oven Pro is what I use. 265 is the temp. Here's all my paints, and there's my mannequin challenge.